Yeah. Okay, first of all, we'll see why we have to learn Vedic math. Okay, see. Uses of Vedic math. Without knowing uses or without knowing the purpose, generally we don't need to learn anything, right? So we'll see the uses first. It helps a person to solve maths problems nearly 10 to 15 times faster than conventional methods. So what are the conventional methods? Generally we learn in our academics, in our school. Okay. What is do you know competitive exams?
No, sir.
All of you, do you know competitive exams?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Do you know competitive exams?
Yes. Sir. No, sir.
No. Entrance exams?
No,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Then what is the difference between your annual exams and that entrance exam or competitive exam? What is the
So
difference?
entrance exam, we have less time but more questions, and we also have negative markings.
Yes.
But in exam we have plenty of time and less questions, and we don't have negative marking.
Yeah.
We, in our own words, not so accurate answer, but then also you get marks.
Yes. And one more thing is your annual exams are like descriptive, but here the generally competitive exams or entrance exams are like objective. MCQ questions, multiple choice questions. So when it comes to academics, how much you will write, those many marks you will get. How much lengthy the solution, those many marks you will get. When it comes to the competitive exam or entrance exam, you don't need to do anything. We need just option. Which option is correct? You are just writing, you are just selecting the option, or you are solving the question and then selecting the option. We don't need all those things. We just need your option. Which option is correct? Yes or no? So in that case, we need these techniques. Which techniques? Time saving techniques. Okay, so it helps a person to solve maths problems nearly 10 to 15 times faster than the conventional methods. Next, it helps in intelligent guessing. So we can guess. So with the practice of Vedic math techniques, we can guess what will be the next. In that way, we can guess. Next, it reduces burden by learning tables up to 9. So if you know tables up to 9, almost that is enough to solve any big questions also. Okay. Next, it is a magical tool that reduces scratch work and finger count. So what we can say, sir, we are solving mathematical questions 10 to 15 times faster than the conventional method means. Is there any magic? There is no magic, but there is a magic tool. We can consider it as a magic tool. Vedic math techniques are like a magic tools. Next, it increases concentration. If you practice Vedic techniques, it will increase your concentration levels. And it helps in reducing silly mistakes. So you can avoid silly mistakes, time being. Next, it helps in improving mental ability, reasoning skills, logical skills, and analytical skills also. Okay. Next, it is easy. It is fast, efficient, and easy to learn and use. It is easy to learn as well as easy to use also. And one more thing is, in most of the cases, it gives us one-line answers. Okay, so we need that thing only now. We don't need all the processor. We don't need all the step-by-step processor. We need one-line answer, single-line answer. So in most of the cases, it will give one-line answers. Okay, and it will not give the short solution in 100% math, but it will give short solution in many cases, and what are, in which cases it is best, we'll learn all those things. Okay, all of you, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And just we'll see its history from where it came, and later we'll start the concept. Okay, we'll see history. See the Vedic math history from where it came. One second. Yeah, okay. Okay, now see. Vedic math is a system of reasoning and mathematical working based on ancient Indian teachings called Vedas. So now we are studying okay. Now we are studying first class, second class, third class, fourth class, and science, social, maths, English. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But what are the subjects for our ancient Indians? We don't call them as science, social, maths, first, second, third, fourth class. We'll call them as just Vedas. How many Vedas are there?
Four.
Four
Vedas
Vedas.
are there. 4 Vedas are there. Yeah, in those 4 Vedas, complete thing, everything will be covered. Everything will be covered. Science, social, and maths. Everything will be covered in those 4 Vedas only. And in one of the Veda, these are Vedic math is rediscovered from Vedas. Vedic math is rediscovered from Vedas. Okay, and it is a system of reasoning and mathematical working based. It is a combination of both. Next, it is rediscovered. It is already there, and it is rediscovered from Vedas between 911 and 918 by Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. So he is the person. He is the father of Vedic math, we can say. He invented this. He rediscovered this Vedic maths. Huh?
Can you repeat his name?
Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. Okay. According to Tirthaji, all of Vedic maths is just based on 16 sutras. 16 sutras are there in Vedic maths, and we are going to learn all these sutras. And these sutras are also called word formulae. So we have some formulae, right? Suppose a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
He also gave some suggestions. Sorry, he also gave some sutras, but they are like word formulae. Like ekadikena purvena. Okay, by one more than the one before. That is the sutra name. Likewise, he has given 16 sutras. We'll see those sutras. Okay. Next, it is an ancient technique which simplifies. One second. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it is an ancient technique which simplifies arithmetical operations, arithmetical operations like addition, subtractions, multiplication, division, square roots, cube roots, etc. And using these techniques, even algebraic expressions also can be solved. So tell me, what is the difference between arithmetic operations and algebraic operations? Anyone? Tell me, what is the difference between arithmetic operations and algebraic operations?
I don't know. I'm not aware.
I don't know, sir.
I don't know. Okay, let me explain. Tell me 2 plus 3 or 2 plus 5 equal to how much?
7.
7.
Very tough question, right?
No.
Yeah, it will be 7. Suppose 2 plus how much? Or just wait. Two plus how much equal to 7?
5.
Yeah. Tell me, what is the difference you observed in these two cases?
So the first math and the other one is
First one, the question mark is at the solution, whereas in the second question, it is in one of the solution. It is in one of the numbers we add to get the solution.
Okay, just tell me, to the left and right of is equal. We'll see, to the left and right of is equal to LHS and RHS. 2 plus 5 are the known things or unknown things?
Known thing.
Known things. And this question mark is unknown, right? So from known to unknown we are moving in first case. In the second case, here the question mark is there. Is that a known thing or unknown thing? Unknown thing, right? And
Yes,
this
sir.
7 is a known thing or unknown thing?
Known thing.
Known thing. So in the second case, we are moving from unknown to known. So all the operations in which we deal with the known things to unknown things are called arithmetical operations. These are the arithmetical operations. And all the things, all the operations in which we are dealing with the unknown things to find the known things. Sorry, to get the known things. So are called algebraic operations. Okay, so generally in the second case, what we will do, we'll take in place of question mark, we'll take x. Yes or no? Are you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, by taking x, 2 plus x equal to 7. So now x equal to 7 minus 2, that will be 5. So in that way, we'll find it. So known to unknown is the arithmetical operations, unknown to known is algebraic operations. Okay, so even algebraic operations also can be solved using Vedic techniques, right? Now we are entering into the concepts, Vedic concepts. Before entering into Vedic concepts, we'll see the sutra names first. Yeah, these are the list of 16 sutras. What is first sutra? Ekadikena purvena. Ekadikena purvena. Okay, by one more than the one before. By one more than the one before. That's how this is the sutra. And the second sutra, Nikilam Navatah Charamam Dashatah. Nikilam Navatah Charamam Dashatah. All from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 and last from 10. And next is Urdhva Triyagdhyam. Urdhva Triyagdhyam. Vertically and crosswise. Okay. Paravartya Yojayat. Transpose and apply. Shunya Samya Samuchaya. If Samuchaya is same, it is to be 0. Okay. So just I'll send this PDF, okay, all of you, I'll send this PDF to all, and you just read them out. You just try to read them. Okay. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all of you, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read all the sutra names. Just try to read them.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And not only 16 sutras, he has given 13 sub-sutras also. 13 sub-sutras also there. Yeah, Anurupyena. These are the sub-sutras. Anurupyena. Okay, Sishyate. The remainder remains constant. The remainder remains constant. So in that way, he has given 13 more sub-sutras. So timely, we'll see all these sutras and sub-sutras. We are not going to deal with these sutras. We are going to deal the application of these sutras. Okay. Whenever the time comes, I'll say this question comes under this sutra, and this question is an application of this sutra. In that way, I'll say. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just let us see. We are not going to solve these questions now, but just I want to show what type of questions we can solve using Vedic techniques. What type of questions we can solve in a single step, in a single line answer. We can give the answer for these questions. Okay. So see this question number some 15. Is it an easy question or tough question? Question number 15. Maybe now it is tough. After learning Vedic math techniques, you can say it is an easiest question. Easiest question. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines, right?
Yes, sir.
So here the answer is 9, 9, 9, 9. So today my pen what we can say, pen tab is not working. That is why I am operating with mouse only. By tomorrow I will make ready with the pen tab. 999, then 8, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the answer for this question.
9 times 2, 9 times 10, 9 con.
9 times. Okay, so there are 5 nines. So if you observe here, 4 nines, 8, 4 zeros, 1. That's all. That is the answer. Okay, so we'll see. Everything we'll see. So here cube roots and cubes also will deal. And see this multiplication. How much big it is. And in one step, we can get the solution for this one also. Okay, and let us start with the first sutra. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the sutra name?
Ekadikena purvena.
Yes, Ekadikena purvena, by one more than the one before. So generally we'll write the numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, Eka means
1.
Adhika means
More than 1.
Many. So many.
Adhika means more than. Purva means previous, before or previous. Yeah. So now see, this 2 is one more than the previous one. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this 3 is also one more than the previous one.
Yes, sir.
And 4 is also one more than the previous one, that is 3. So this is the sutra understanding, and we'll see its application. See the first circle. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. up to 9. So in mathematics, how many numbers are there? In number system, how many numbers are there? In total, how many numbers are there?
Infinite.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Infinite numbers are there. Uncountable numbers are there. But how many digits are there?
Infinite.
How many digits are there?
0 to 9.
Yeah, there are 10 digits only. All those infinite numbers can be formed with these 10 digits only. 0 to 9, 10 digits are there. And now we are going to deal with these 10 digits only. 0 to 9 digits are that are enough to solve almost all the questions in Vedic math. So we should have command on these 10 digits only, 0 to 9, 10 digits. Okay, so see this circle starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, if you continue the cycle, what is the next number?
10. Sir, 10.
It is 10. Next is
11.
12, 13, 14. You just try to observe them, what is going to happen here. 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19 completed. Again, if you want to continue, then
20.
20. Okay, then 21. Tell me, what is your observation here? 22, 23. Tell anyone your observations.
Using the same numbers from 0 to 9 to make the next numbers.
Using the same numbers, which number?
So the digits 0 to 9.
Sir, the units are always the same, but the
Yeah,
tens are moving from 1 to 2 to. So
very good, very good, very good, correct. So if you observe, units digit is same. Let us take each one is a branch. This is, can I say it is a 1's branch? And this is 2's branch, and this is 3's branch. So in every branch, the units digit is same. So here it is 2, and even 12. In 12 also units place is 2, and in 22 also units place is 2. And the next number is, in this branch, next number is 32, units place 2. Next number 42, units place 2. So in that way it will continue. So this is the speciality of this circle. So this circle is called, in Vedic math, this circle is called 10-point circle. 10-point circle. Okay. So units place is same in every branch. This is one understanding, and we'll see another circle. So see the second circle. There are some lines joining. Okay. What you can say? Using observing this circle, what any conclusion in the second circle? Tell if there is any conclusion. So these two numbers are joined. 9 and 1 are joined. 8 and 2 are joined. 7 and 3 are joined.
6 and 4 are joined.
Tell observation. Tell your observation.
You're making 10. Like
Yeah.
you add 9, it's 10. And
very good.
So-
Very good. Making 10. So can I say here opposite numbers? Sum of opposite numbers is 10. Sum
Yes,
of
sir.
opposite numbers is 10.
yes, sir.
So see, from using the numbers from 0 to 9, using the numbers from 0 to 9, tell the combinations. Take two numbers at a time. Take two numbers at a time to make 10. Tell the combination. Tell all possible combinations.
9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3.
Yeah, 1 plus 9. One
5 plus
combination. Next is
7 plus 3.
7 plus 3,
Hmm.
6 plus 4,
2 plus 7.
but 5 plus 5.
Sorry, to make 10, right? 2 plus 8. Possible.
7 plus
3 plus 7.
7.
Possible.
5
And
times 5.
4 plus. I'm coming in an order. Okay.
4 plus 6.
4 plus 6.
Five
And then
times again, another 5.
5 plus 5. Okay. Any more?
And 10 plus 0, sir.
There is no digit like 10. 10 is a number. It is not a digit. Yes or no? Using
Yes,
the
sir.
digits, using the digits from 0 to 9. What are the possible combinations?
1 plus, maybe another 9 plus 1, sir.
9 plus 1 is the same combination now. And in mathematics, there is a rule like a plus b equal to b plus a.
Yes.
Then 1 plus 9 equal to 9 plus 1. Both are same. No need to take one more time. Combination are repeated. Yeah. Can anybody tell other than these 5 combinations? By taking 2 numbers at a time to get 10. No, there is no other combination. Okay. So you should get command over these 5 combinations. That is enough. 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, and 5 plus 5. Okay. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And okay, we'll observe some digit combinations now. Okay. I'm going to categorize them into two categories. See, adding any two numbers, if you are getting some less than 10, this combination is a natural combination, or we can say it is a natural addition. Okay. And adding any two numbers, if you are getting some more than or equal to 10, then we can say it is carry combination. Okay. So there are 0 to 9, 10 digits are there. We have 10 digits, 0 to 9. Taking two numbers at a time, taking two digits at a time, how many combinations we can form? Tell. Got my question?
No, sir.
Okay, once again, I'm repeating. See, we have 0 to 9, 10 digits. Taking two digits at a time, how many combinations we can form? They may be repeated combinations, or they may be not repeated also, unique combinations also. Totally, how many combinations we can get?
To make 10.
Taking two
Sir.
numbers at a time.
Sir, repeating means it's a little difficult to count.
Repeating means, as we discussed in the earlier slide, 1 plus 9 is there. Then 9 plus 1 is also allowed.
In that case.
That is
Sir,
the repeated case.
I think it's rather difficult to count, sir, because there's so many combinations we can use.
Yeah, all those combinations are presented here. See, in this table, all the combinations are there. So starting with 0, I combined 0 first, then 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now combinations are combinations with 0 are over. I took 1 next. With 1 again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, up to 1 plus 9 completed. And I took 2. 2 plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. So overall, we can take the combinations from 0, 0 to 0, 0 to, tell me, 9,
0. 9.
0, 0 to 9. 9 means how many combinations will be there?
9.
0, 0 to 9, 9. How many combinations?
50.
No.
99.
No.
9.
100.
100. 99 means 1 to 99, it is 99. One more combination is there, 0, 0. In total 10. Okay. Or otherwise you can observe this table also. In this table also, there are 10 columns and 10 rows. 10 rows and 10 columns. 10 tens are 100.
100.
Okay. So observe this green region. Observe this green region and tell any observation.
Sir, the green region only shows the parts where the numbers answer is equal to 10.
Yeah, no, not equal to 10. Tell.
6 plus 4 equals to 10. Like that, only the two numbers which add up to 10.
So this green part, green region is showing the sum up to 10. Sum up to 10. Yes or no? It is not exceeding 10. It is not exceeding 10. We are getting maximum up to 10. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And if you count these all green color numbers, out of 100 combinations, there are 64 combinations. Okay. How many are remaining now? Actually, we can say these 64 combinations are easy. Yes or no? Because we are getting sum up to 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And out of 100 combinations, 64 combinations are easy. Okay. We'll keep them aside. And how many more remaining?
36.
Remaining 36 combinations are there. Okay. And as we discussed earlier, if I take 9 plus 2, is it necessary to take 2 plus 9?
No, because they're
No,
the same.
Not required because it is already taken combination, because it is already repeated combination. If you take 8 plus 4, no need to take 4 plus 8 again. So in that way, we can forget about this region also. Okay, because the combinations are already there in another region. No need to consider them again. And if you count them, how many combinations are there?
$16.
16 combinations.
Number
64.
No, now I'm not asking green color. I'm asking for this orange color, I think. Orange or red?
Orange,
Sir, I think it's orange.
Tell orange combinations, how many?
16.
16. Okay, we can keep them aside. So 16
Sir,
combinations also.
are there 15 or 16?
16 combinations.
20, sir.
sir.
How many more remaining? Out of 36, 16 also we can keep them aside. Remaining 20. And out of these 20, observe these orange color numbers or orange color combinations. Orange color or yellow color? Yellow color.
Yellow.
Yellow color
Yes, sir,
combinations.
yellow.
What is your observation in these combinations?
They both the same. They both numbers are the same.
Both the digits are same. Both the digits are same. So 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9. So if both the digits are same, even, now also we can consider them simply the double of that number. Okay. So we can consider them also as easy. So now we can keep aside 4 more numbers. And finally we are remaining with how many combinations? 16 combinations are remaining. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So those black color region is of 16 combinations, and these 16 combinations we have to learn them perfectly. And we should have command on these 16 combinations. Okay, now we'll see those 16 combinations also, what we can do. We are going to learn one more new concept now, that is end number concept. End numbers. So see what is meant by this end number. See in this 15, what is the end number?
5.
Actually, that is not end number, end digit, but in Vedic math we call it as end number. Yeah, what is the end number in 15?
5.
5.
5. What is the end number in 238?
8.
8 is the end number. Means units digit is the end number. Units digit is the end number. So almost in all the combinations, here I wrote here some combinations. In almost all the combinations, will get a carry or not?
Yes.
If you add those two numbers, will get carry or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you are getting
Yes, sir.
carry, we don't need to take the complete number, and it is enough to take only end number. It is enough to take only end number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 7
Okay.
plus 8 is how much?
15.
15. What is the end number?
5.
5.
That is enough. That 5 is enough. 9 plus 2 end number.
7.
11.
1.
11.
One second.
1. 1 is the ending number. 14. 13 ma 13. You're 40 wala.
So I think you are ready with all the end numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 9 plus 2?
1.
11.
1 is enough. I don't need 11. 4 plus 9?
3.
3. 6 plus 5?
1.
1.
3 plus 9?
2.
2. 4 plus 7?
1.
3 plus 8?
1.
8 plus 5?
3.
3. 7 plus 9?
6.
9 plus 6?
5.
5. 9 plus 3?
2.
2.
2 plus 8?
0.
0.
Very good. 0. 5 plus 7?
2.
2. 9 plus 4?
3.
3.
3. Okay. 13 will come in the mind, but you have to say only 3. 8 plus 4?
2.
2.
7 plus 6?
3.
4.
3. 8 plus 9?
7.
7. 6 plus 8?
4.
8 plus 7?
5.
And 5 plus 9 is?
4.
4.
4. Okay, take this is your homework today. Okay, what is your homework is take any combination is of your choice. Take many combinations, nearly 20 or 30 or 50, any combinations. Write those end digits. Write those end digits. You have to practice them, because if in telling end digit also we are taking some time, means it is somewhat time waste. It will be somewhat time waste. That's why you should not take time.
Is it do you want us to write combination of 2 or
Any of your choice.
also it could be combination
Okay. We will get end numbers only when the sum exceeding 10. Otherwise, that will be the end number. Na? Suppose if it is 1 plus 2. Suppose if it is 1 plus 2. What is the sum?
9 plus 3.
Ma, mute. Somebody is speaking. 1 plus 2, what is the sum?
3, sir.
1 digit or 2 digits?
1 digit.
1 digit means that will be the end digit. In that case, we don't have end digit. That is why we call them as a natural addition, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Whenever we are getting carry, we have to take units place. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here, end numbers observation with the combination of 9. Tell 1 plus 9.
0.
0. 9 plus 2.
1.
1.
Next.
2.
Next.
2.
3.
So here I have I wrote here in the order. That's why
5.
getting in the order.
5.
5.
6. 7, 8, 9, 10.
7, 8.
8, 9, 10 also.
It's ending with 9, sir.
Okay. Tell your observation in these combinations. Tell your observation.
Sir, the results are n numbers only, but in the n numbers, they all are in order. Like 1.
No.
9 plus 9, 18, right? 8 should come there.
Okay, in the last place, I got mistake. Yes.
And sir, it should be 7 and 8, not 8, 9.
Yes. This is 7 and it is 8. Tell your observation in these combinations.
So
These
the
all
one
go in order, and
one
these
number
are
less than
No. Order I presented in that way. We are getting in that way, right? So I'm just asking about your observation in the combinations.
So the ones place in the in the left side is less than in the right side. Like you see,
So,
1 and here is 0. So
yeah.
in solution, one's place is one number less.
Yes. Now, can I say whatever the number that is combining with the 9, we are getting just one number less. We are getting just one number less. When 5 is combining with 9, we are getting result as 4. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
When 8 is combining with 9, we are getting result as 7. So whatever the digit combining with 9 plus any digit will get the result as one digit less. One digit less than that. Suppose if it is x, here we'll get x minus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We'll go to the one more sutra. Read it.
By the completion or non-completion.
Okay. Purnabhyam. Purnabhyam. By the completion or non-completion. By the completion or non-completion. Okay, we'll see. By the completion or non-completion. Here you should learn about this terminology first. Completion or non-completion. Suppose any digit less than 10. Any digit less than 10. If we can make it 10, we can say it is completed. Okay. To complete 7, how much is required? All of you. To complete 10, sorry, to complete 7, how much is required?
6 and 1.
Completion means we should get 10. We should get 10 by adding any.
3.
To complete 7, we need
3.
3. To complete 9,
1.
to complete 8,
2.
to complete 3,
7.
7. Okay. So we have to complete, and the remaining non-completion remaining number we can directly add. See, let me explain this question. Any question? Suppose, okay, we'll see these questions only directly. 6 plus 4, I think
10.
it is a natural addition. Directly we can say the answer. Okay.
10.
Let us try to make tens first. Let us try to make tens first. Tell me, to complete this 4, to complete this 4, how much is required?
16.
16. So take that 6 from 16. No, not 16. 16 is not required. 6 is required. Completion nothing but 10. Making 10. As of now, it is making 10. Later we'll see making 10 multiples and 10 powers also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, total Vedic math deals with the tens only.
Wait, so you can't use 20?
Either 10 multiples or 10 powers. In total Vedic math, we are going to deal with these numbers only. Tens or 10 multiples or 10 powers.
Okay, sir.
To complete 4, we need 6. Take that 6 from 16. Now it becomes 10 plus another.
Yes, sir.
Another
1. 10.
10 is there. So together 10 plus 10.
20.
20. To complete this 5, how much is required?
5.
5. Take that 5 from 25. So now it is completed. Now it becomes 10. And what is the remaining number now?
20.
20. What is the result?
30, sir.
30. Okay. Now we are completing the small numbers. Later we will complete the big numbers also. Okay, 13 and 7. To complete 7, how much is required?
3, sir.
3. So take that 3 from 13. And 13 becomes 10. And even 7 is also completed now.
20.
Becomes 10. Together
20.
20. So, okay, remaining 3 questions, you try to practice, not 3 questions, remaining 4 completed, 6 questions are there, you try to practice them. I'll send the PDF.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you know all the result already, you try to habitate the method. Okay, you know it, 22 plus 8 is 30, everyone can say, but here intention is, you have to habitate this type of approach to complete 8, how much mentally you have to do to complete 8, how much is required? 2 is required. Okay, after taking 2 from 22, it becomes 20 and it becomes 10, together it is 13. So in that way you have to practice. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll see, we'll go to the another column. Again, it is Puranabhyam only. We are going to deal with the somewhat bigger numbers. See, 37 plus 23. 37 plus 23. I'll tell 2-3 ways to solve this question. I'll tell 2-3 ways, and whatever the method easy, if you feel easy, that you can proceed. I'm taking first question. 37 plus 23. Okay, so one way is split and add. One method is split and add. So we can split this number 37 as, tell me,
30 and 7.
30 and 7. And we can split this 23 also as
20 and 7.
20 and
3.
3. So let us take the round numbers first, and later we'll take the remaining numbers next. So 30 plus 20?
50.
15.
60.
And the remaining? 7 plus 3?
7 plus 3.
So the
Is equal to
answer
10.
ends up being 60, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so here I am presenting using pen, but you have to do all these things in the mind.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Okay, so just tell me orally, without doing anything. Second question, 42 and 28. How much we can do in this way? Split and add.
70.
Sir, it's
70.
Angel, explain
Yes, sir,
second question
70.
without writing anything. Just tell.
So 70.
70.
Sir, could I explain?
Fire tablet, what is your name?
Me, sir?
Fire tablet.
Me?
My name's Ipsita and
What happened?
Yeah.
I'm unable to hear.
can you hear me?
I'm not getting your voice.
Can you hear me?
You're speaking something, but I'm not able to hear you.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, I can hear. Sir, I can
Is
hear.
my voice audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Just show thumb if you are hearing my voice. But I'm not. I'm unable to hear you.
Sir, sir, I can hear you.
Not getting any voice from anyone.
Sir, I can hear you.
Now it is okay, I think.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I?
Angel, explain. Second question. Just orally.
Okay, sir. So to first I do 40 and 20 is equal to 60. And
First of all, we have to split the numbers now. 42, 40, and 2.
Okay.
That thing also you have to explain.
Okay. So I split the number. It's 40 and then 2, 20 and
40 plus 2. Okay. Next to 20 and
8.
okay.
So
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, ma'am.
I'm Aditi, sir. Actually, it's time for my bus, so can I just leave?
Yeah. Carry on.
Thanks.
Carry on.
so then it's 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. And then 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So 60 plus 10 is equal to 70.
Together it is 70. Fire tablet. What is your name?
My name's Ipsita.
Sorry.
My name's Ipsita.
Ipsita, can you explain the third question?
Do you mean E?
54 plus 16.
Oh, wait, can you say that again? Sorry.
No. Just explain me orally without doing anything using pen and paper.
Question.
Hmm.
Did you say I should explain the question? 45 plus 35?
Yes. Split and add.
So 40 would be, 45 would be 40 and 5. And
45 and 35.
29 plus 29.
would be 30 and 5. So
60,
40 and
70,
that would be 70.
70, 80.
And the 5 I would add
I can't scroll.
10 is 80.
Indra, mute.
I muted already. Yeah, 40 plus 5 and 30 plus 5. 40 plus 30 is 70. 5 plus 5, 10. Total 80.
Wait, did you hear what I said or?
Okay, this method is okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is one method.
Yes, sir.
And let me explain one more method. Second method is completing any one number. Let us try to complete 37. Okay, completing nothing but making 10 or 10 multiples or 10 powers. Okay, what are the 10 multiples we have? Tell me some 10 multiples.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
100 multiples.
100,
100, 200,
200,
300, 400, 500, 600,
Okay,
700,
then
100 and 1000.
10 powers. 10 powers. 10 power 1 is
10,
10. 10 power 2.
100.
20,
100, not 20. 10 power 2, nothing but 10 into 10. 10 power 3.
30, sir.
No, 10 into 10 into 10, 3
Thousand.
times. 1000. 10 power 4, 10,000. 10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Okay, these are the
Then lakhs and
combinations.
crores.
10 multiples are 10 powers. We have to complete. So see, I'm explaining the same question, 37 plus 23. To complete 37, nearest to 10 multiple is
40.
40. So to make this number 40, how much is required?
3.
3. Take that number from 3. This number becomes 20 now, and this number becomes
40.
40. Now 20 plus 40 is how much?
60.
60. Again, we are getting the same answer, 60. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just approach is different. So to complete 37, we need 3. I am taking that 3 from 20, making it 40, and another number becomes 20. 40 plus 20 becomes 60. So that is another way. Can you tell any more way? One more way is there. What is that? Completing
Doing it normally?
23. No. Completing 23. Now we have completed 37, right? We can complete 23 also, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to complete 23, how much is required?
7.
7.
7. Take that 7 from 30, becomes 37, 30, and this number becomes another
30.
30. 30 plus 30 is
60.
60 again. Okay, so all these questions are easy, but don't do them normally because you know that method already. Try to do them in this approach. By the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll send this up to this slide. I'll send the PDF, and you try to practice these remaining questions. And when
Okay.
if I in the next class, if I ask you to solve any question, don't do it in a regular in your academic approach by taking 37 and 23 in this way, left to right or right to left. One second, where it was done. Here it is. So 7 plus 3 is 10. There is a carry of 1 and 0. Don't do in this way. Okay. I will ask you to explain me how you are getting that answer. In that explanation, I can know you are doing it in a normal conventional method or you are doing in a Vedic approach. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll meet in the next class, right?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Have a nice
Bye,
Bye.
sir. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.